Hey everyone, in this video, I'll share with you 6 powerful CMD commands to fix most common issues in Windows 10 and 11, whether you are experiencing a slow performance, network issues, or system errors. These commands can help you get back on track. Let's get started. First up is the System File Checker, or SFC. This command scans for and repair corrupted system files. To use it, open the command prompt as an administrator. From the Windows search, type CMD, right-click on the command prompt, and select Run as an administrator. Type SFC /scan now and hit enter. And just wait for the scan to complete. Next, we have the Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool, or DISM. This command is great for fixing Windows images or system files. In the command prompt window, type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and hit enter. This process might take some time, but it's essential for repairing any underlying system issues. Coming in at number 3 is the check disk command, or check disk. It checks your disk for errors and tries to fix them. To run it, type chkdsk C:/F//R and hit enter. Now you can replace C with the letter of the drive you want to check. After the command completes, you need to restart your computer for it to take effect. Fourth on our list is the IP reset command. It can resolve a lot of network issues. To reset your IP configuration, enter netsh int reset and hit enter. This will reset your IP stack and help you resolve any connectivity problems. And fifth, we have the flush DNS command. This can fix issues related to domain name resolution. Simply type ipconfig /flush DNS and hit enter. You'll resolve the DNS resolver cache, which can resolve many browsing issues. Finally, let's look at the netsh winsock reset command. This command resets the winsock catalog back to the default settings, which can resolve network-related issues. To use it, type netsh winsock reset and hit enter. After executing this command, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Alright, those were the 6 most powerful CMD commands to use to resolve many common Windows issues. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.